In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk email on Mailerlite. First, sign into your Mailerlite account. Head to the Mailerlite sign-in page, choose the option to continue with Google, and select your Google account. That will take you straight to your dashboard. If you normally log in another way, that's fine too. The goal is simply to get into your account so you can work on a campaign. From the dashboard, open Campaigns. This is where all your one-time email blasts live. Pick an existing campaign you want to send, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Either way, you'll be able to edit the email before it goes out to your list. Make the necessary edits to your email content. Tidy up text, swap images, update buttons, and double-check every link. Keep paragraphs scannable, use clear calls to action, and make sure the design looks good on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the layout and copy, click Done Editing to save your work and move forward. Next, set your subject line. Aim for something concise and specific that sets the right expectation. Avoid excessive punctuation or spam trigger words. Then add a pre-header, the short line that appears after the subject in the inbox. Use it to complement the subject, not repeat it, and give readers one more reason to open. Now choose who should get this email. Select the recipients or the group you want to target. Take a moment to confirm you're including the right segments and excluding any internal test contacts you don't want to mail. Make sure your list is permission-based and up to date to protect deliverability. Click Continue to proceed to sending options. You can send immediately, schedule for later, or deliver based on time zones. Send now is perfect for time-sensitive announcements. Scheduling is great when you know the best day and hour for your audience. Time zone delivery sends at the local time you choose for each subscriber, which helps large or international lists receive emails at a sensible hour. When everything looks good, click Send. Your campaign will be on its way to the recipients you selected. After it goes out, keep an eye on performance in your dashboard so you can learn what worked, like subject lines and send times. And optimize your next bulk email. That's it. You've signed in, prepped your content, selected the right audience, scheduled delivery the way you want, and sent your Mailerlite bulk email with confidence.